Hello and welcome to Tata's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. We know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most easiest portion also, as it do not have any conceptual complexity in it, rather than it only requires your computational and numerical skills. So today we have some of the questions from a number series. In number series questions, we know that we are given one series with one unknown number, and we need to find that number using the inherent pattern in that series. So let's start with the first one: 62, 87, 187, 412, 812, and we need to find the last one. Okay. If we add 25 with 62, we get 87. If we add 100 with 87, we get 187. If we add 225 with 187, we get 412. And if we add 400 with 412, we get 812. Therefore, from this given pattern, we can say that we just add 5 square, then 10 square, then 15 square, then 20 square. Therefore, the next one must be 25 square. Therefore, our required answer is 812 plus 625, which results in 1437. Okay. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's check the next question. In the next series, we are given 45030, 9000, 1795, 335, 68, 11.6, and 1.32. Okay. So we need to find the question mark term. In this given series, if we divide 45030 by 5 and then subtract 6, we get 9000. If we subtract 5 then divide 5 and subtract 5, we get 1795. Then if we divide 5 and subtract 4 from the answer, we get 355. If we divide 5 with 355 and then subtract 3, then we get 68. After that, if we divide 68 by 5 and then subtract 2, we get 11.6. And lastly, to check whether our series is true or false, our pattern is true or false, we divide 11.6 by 5 and subtract 1, hence we get 1.32. Therefore, as we can see, the given pattern is the division number is same, but the subtraction number is decreasing 1 from 6 to 1. Therefore, our required answer is 11.6. That is the option A. Now come to the next one. That is question number 43. Okay. In this question, we are given a pattern. We are given a number series with 45, 46, then 70, then 141. Here we have the unknown number, and lastly we have 1061.5. Okay. Here if we multiply 1 with 45 and then add 1, we get 46. Then if we multiply 1.5 with 46 and then add 1, we get 70. If we multiply 2 then add 1, we get 41. Therefore it is pretty much obvious that if we multiply 2.5 and then add 1, we get 353.5. And to check whether this answer is correct or not, we multiplied it with 3 and then add 1, hence we get 1061.5. So the required answer is 353.5. Now come to the next question. The given series is 1015, 508, 255, 129, 66.5, then question mark, then 20.875. So in this given series, if we add 2, if we divide 2 then add 0.5, we get 508. Then if we divide 508 by 2 and then add 1, we get 255. Similarly, divided by 2 plus 1.5, we get 121. Divided by 2 plus 2 is 66.5. And lastly, if we divide it by 2 and then add 2.5, we get answer which is 35.75. Okay. And lastly, to check this answer is whether correct or not, we divide it by 2 and then add 3, and hence we get 20.875. Therefore the correct answer is 35.75. Therefore option 4 is correct. Now jump to the next question. Here the given series is 117, 389, 525, 593, 627, and lastly we need to find the number. The difference between 117 and 389 is 272. Here the difference is 136. Here the difference is 68. Here the difference is 34. Now the series reduces to 272, 136, 68 and 34. And each of these number is nothing but the half of the previous one. Okay. Hence the next number in the second series will be 17. Therefore In the original series, the last number will be 644. Hence, the answer is 644. Therefore, option 5 is true. So we have solved all the questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more, then you can WhatsApp us to join our classes. These are the WhatsApp numbers, and you also can check our website also, which is www.sarasasclasses.com for further details. Thank you very much.